p.m. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.
What's going on, man?
What's going on?
What you running here?
8 Jimmy 515s.
What kind of power you got back there?
I got 4% of DC 6Ks.
I just get my smokes real quick and take them in the center console.
How you gonna fucking ruin this?
Bro, my bad. Thank you, buddy.
Fucking asshole. Alright, you ready?
Are you
Not right.
that didn't do right.
Something's not right.
I get that.
Oh, I'm playing too low. Wrong track.
Got my mirror shake.
You want the high note?
Oh yeah, I'm ready for it. You built everything yourself, man?
My buddy Steve built it.
Steve,
yeah. Steve Sorrentino, yeah, he built it for me.
Oh yeah.
He made a dream come true.
That's wild right there.
Thank you.
He can play everything.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. At the end of the day, I listen to music, not fucking not burps. So.
That's right. You gotta be able to enjoy it.
Exactly.
Man, it's good seeing you, brother. You know what I can find you on social media?
Oh yeah, just Adam Steigler on Facebook.
Okay, I'll try to tag him down below, man.
All right, man.
Brother. Yes, sir.
Brother.